none beside you. Open up my eyes in wonder. Show me who you are and fill me with your love. In your love to those around me. Open our eyes this morning, Lord, so we can see and understand your love for us. Let us build our lives on the truth of how much you love us, Lord. That you gave your life. Even while we were sinners, Lord, you loved us that much.